I'm sure you've heard the news, aliens might be real. This isn't just a wild theory from science fiction movies or conspiracy theorists. It's a topic that has intrigued scientists, astronomers, and even philosophers for decades. The idea that we might not be alone in the universe is both thrilling and humbling. Imagine the possibilities of discovering other intelligent beings, or even simpler forms of life, somewhere out there in the vast expanse of space. It's a question that has driven countless research projects and space missions, all in the hope of finding some evidence that we are not the only ones in this cosmic arena. Let's explore 3 fascinating reasons why this might be more than just a dream. These reasons are grounded in scientific theories and observations that have been made over the years. They provide a compelling case for the existence of extraterrestrial life, and they might just change the way you look at the night sky. We could have cosmic company. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how little we actually know. But with each new discovery, we get a little closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Reason number 1, the Drake equation. This is a formula that was developed by Dr. Frank Drake in 1961. It estimates the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy that we might be able to communicate with. The equation takes into account several factors, such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars that have planets, and the number of planets that could potentially support life. It's a complex equation, but it provides a framework for thinking about the probability of extraterrestrial life. This formula estimates the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. While the exact numbers are still a matter of debate, the equation suggests that there could be many civilizations out there just waiting to be discovered. It's a tantalizing possibility that has inspired generations of scientists to keep searching. With billions of stars out there, each potentially hosting their own planetary systems, the odds are in favor of some alien neighbors. The sheer number of stars and planets in the universe makes it statistically likely that we are not alone. Even if only a small fraction of those planets have the right conditions for life, that still leaves a vast number of potential habitats for extraterrestrial beings. The odds are in favor of some alien neighbors. Imagine a planet orbiting a distant star with its own unique ecosystem and perhaps even intelligent life forms. The thought of such a place existing somewhere in the universe is both exciting and mind-boggling. It opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for exploration and discovery. Reason number 2, the Fermi paradox. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox highlights the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence for or contact with such civilizations. If the universe is so vast and old, with billions of stars and potentially habitable planets, why haven't we found any signs of extraterrestrial life? It's a question that has puzzled scientists for decades. If the universe is so vast and old, with countless opportunities for life to develop, why haven't we found any signs of extraterrestrial life? There are many possible explanations for this paradox. Some scientists believe that advanced civilizations might be hiding, either intentionally or unintentionally. They could be using technology that we are not yet capable of detecting, or they might be avoiding contact with us for their own reasons. Why haven't we found any signs of extraterrestrial life? Another possibility is that we just haven't looked in the right places yet. The universe is incredibly vast, and our search for extraterrestrial life has only just begun. There are still many unexplored regions of space, and new technologies and methods are being developed all the time to help us in our search. Some scientists think advanced civilizations might be hiding, using advanced technology to cloak their presence. They might be observing us from a distance, waiting for the right moment to make contact. Or perhaps they are simply too far away for us to detect with our current technology. The possibilities are endless, and the search for answers continues. Or we just haven't looked in the right places yet. Our search for extraterrestrial life is still in its early stages, and there is so much more to explore. With each new discovery, we learn a little more about the universe and our place in it. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of discovery, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. And reason number 3, exoplanets in the habitable zone. These are planets that orbit their stars at just the right distance to potentially support life. We've discovered thousands of exoplanets, and many of them are in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, just right for life as we know it. The discovery of these exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and the potential for life beyond Earth. We've discovered thousands of exoplanets, and each one is a potential candidate for hosting life. The discovery of these planets has opened up new possibilities for finding extraterrestrial life. Scientists are now able to study these planets in greater detail, looking for signs of habitability and potential biosignatures, and many of them are in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, just right for life as we know it. This zone is the perfect distance from a star to allow for liquid water, which is essential for life as we know it. The discovery of these planets has given scientists new hope in the search for extraterrestrial life. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for life as we know it. The conditions on these planets could be similar to those on Earth, making them prime candidates for the search for extraterrestrial life. The discovery of these planets has sparked a new wave of excitement and curiosity among scientists and the general public alike. Just right for life as we know it. The potential for finding life on these planets is one of the most exciting prospects in modern astronomy. It gives us hope that we might one day find evidence of life beyond Earth, and perhaps even make contact with other intelligent beings. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that each one could be a sun to its own system of planets. The universe is a big place, and the possibilities are endless. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey that will continue for generations to come, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? Remember, the universe is a big place. With so many stars and planets out there, the odds are in favor of finding some form of life. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of discovery, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and the possibilities are endless. We might just have some cosmic neighbors out there. The thought of discovering other intelligent beings is both exciting and humbling. It reminds us that we are just a small part of a much larger universe, and that there is still so much more to learn and explore. Keep looking up and keep wondering. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey that will continue for generations to come. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? So, keep looking up at the stars and keep wondering about the possibilities that lie beyond our own planet.